What it do, YouTube? It's your boy, Connor, back with Muscle Addiction, coming at y'all with another product review. It's gonna be another lighting review brought to y'all and sponsored by Oxito. As y'all can see, came in the mail just like this. Pretty standard box. Y'all excuse me if it's a lot of wind. I'm outside today getting y'all this video, but there's the little specs on it and everything. Box that it come in. So this contents in the box. You're gonna get some O-rings, which supposedly go around the outside here, and it's supposed to give you a better seal to keep moisture out. These are the bulbs right here. These are the bulbs. Very good quality. Very good quality. Give y'all the look. First look at it. This is how it's gonna look right here when y'all get it. This is the Oxito reverse light bulb right here. Without further ado, shoot, let's see if we can get these guys in here and get y'all a quick before and after, so that way y'all can see exactly what it's looking like. These are the lights right now, y'all. How I'm doing this right now, I wouldn't advise nobody to just do this unless you know your e-brake is good. But these are what the stock lights look like. Sorry, I had to pause the video, you guys. This is just before and after on what the bulb look like. As y'all can see, it doesn't give you guys any kind of fancy look to it. It's just stock yellow uglies or whatever. So as you guys can probably tell, it's gonna be a whole lot brighter with y'all side profile view. And so let me give you guys a before and after in the nighttime or whatever. So tonight I can come back and give y'all a nice shot of what the new one on this side is and the old one on that side is. But get this trunk pop so y'all can see what y'all gotta do. For the Impalas or whatever, pretty much, I don't know if you guys are gonna have this little net back here, but you guys are gonna have one right here. Mine didn't have one, but it's gonna look like that. You're gonna unscrew that out right there. Then you're gonna come over here, unscrew this, pull that out, pull this little plastic part back, and then you're gonna have that one black turn twisty thing like I just took off, and that one right there to your left. It's gonna be those two, and just take those out, just unscrew those just like you did the other one. So you're gonna unscrew. Alright, after you get those took out, then pretty much all you gotta do is just pull your tail light out. It's gonna come out like that. Counterclockwise twist, pull out. So I can see. Yeah. These are gonna be hot, especially if you just did what I did. So just be careful when you're pulling it out, not to burn yourself. Just pull it out, set it to the side. Okay, set this somewhere. Grab your new LED. The best I can do for you guys. So y'all bear with me. We're getting out the mud over here at Muscle Addiction. Y'all know. Y'all already know what's up. This ain't nothing new. Yeah, I'm just gonna put this O-ring on this, and according to them, you put as many of these on as you need or whatever. But these aren't like those other bulbs that I just put in. You'll be safe with touching these. You don't have to worry about that. But you just put those on, according to however many you need or whatever. So come in here, show you how it fits or whatever. And this This is like the first time I've ever seen an LED made like this or whatever. Hopefully I can get y'all to focus in a little bit. What I gotta do here. But anyway, this is like a real like rubbery, gummy type of finish or something. It's weird. It's made out of a different material or whatever. So you're just gonna put this in here. You didn't have to go any specific way just because it's made to be universal. So you're just gonna put it in there, push, and turn. I'm gonna file in there. As y'all can see, it's pretty straight to my liking. It's not got a lot of movement in it. And you just simply plug this in here. You don't have to worry about which side it is. You just plug it in. Then it'll work. Just like that. Put it in. Line up your holes in here. Slide it in and just like that, you got your bulb in. So, show y'all the after. What y'all set up. What y'all set up here. Alright, here's the after, y'all. Y'all get ready. Hey man, what y'all think? Dang! What? Golly! Y'all look at that. Dang! Y'all, this ain't doing justice. This thing is bright. Dang! What? YouTube, that's crazy. I can't wait to show y'all at nighttime. This is crazy bright. What? Yeah, man. That looked like a 6500K. I ain't never seen no 6500K reverse light bulb. Oh, that's crazy. Yeah, I'm gonna be able to show y'all too whenever I give y'all this nighttime shot. You know, from the backup camera, how it looked and everything. So I'm just wrap it up for the install right now. That's gonna be it. Install and review right now. I said, yeah, another look at it. This is the Oxito reverse light bulb. Again, y'all can pick this up on oxito.com. My referral link will be in the description code below. If you guys can, or if you guys do ever plan on shopping with them, which I advise y'all do, y'all go over there and y'all rock with them, because they support Muscle Gang, man. So, excuse me. But what I'm gonna need y'all to do is use that referral link down below. If y'all do see some LEDs, y'all go look on the website, y'all browse and see if they have some LEDs that fit your vehicle, which I'm going to guess 100% of you guys' vehicles, they're gonna have a LED that's gonna be able to accommodate you guys' vehicle. So y'all go over there, y'all put in y'all year, model, vehicle, and everything, and make it real simple. Y'all put in y'all make and model and see exactly what kind of LEDs they got for you guys' vehicles, because I mean, just stuff as simple as seeing this, like just doing simple LED upgrades like these, I make all the difference. You know what I'm saying? So y'all go over there, use the referral link in the description, and use code MAD15 for 15% off at the checkout, and that'll get you 15% off on your Oxito LED lights or HID lights. Which I don't know, they may make HIDs, so don't quote me on that, but LEDs for sure, they got them. So yeah, man, I'm gonna get ready and wrap this up for now. So yeah. All right, YouTube, I'm back. I'm finna make this short and sweet, and y'all, I would not lie to y'all even if it was in the best interest for me, but I know y'all probably did not even see me take and install the light back in and secure the bolts. Well, I was on my way to work and I heard something. Tell me why my doggone tail light was hanging from the freaking ground, man. Done scratched it all up and everything. But that's not even the worst part. That's not even the worst part, y'all. My LED is gone, bro. That's crazy. Out of everything else. Oh, no, it ain't. There it is. Oh, it stayed. But yeah, that's what happened. I was on the highway, but I'm finna go ahead and plug this back in. This is gonna be a robust test too to see if it's worked, but I'm gonna show y'all and see. But yeah, I just wanted to let y'all know that, but I'm gonna tap back into y'all here in a minute. Y'all finna see me install these screws this time. That's crazy. So crazy. So that just let y'all know that it's very important to put them seals in there, because that's what saved the LED. If I hadn't put them seals in there, they would have came out. But get back to this video. Throw this mug in reverse. Ooh, look at that, y'all. Let me close this door. But yeah, as y'all can see, this is my backup camera. This side right here is with the originals. This side is with the aftermarket ones. And as you can clearly see, these are much brighter. Much brighter. Much brighter. Much brighter. Pull up a little bit. Yeah, shout out to E&I. You know, go get that mug today if you don't have it. But yeah, just show y'all. Look how bright that is. Look how bright that is. Like, it's crazy. Yeah, let me show y'all from the back. Everything. Ooh. Golly. Look at that side, y'all. Versus this side. Dang. Now that's bright. That's bright. That is bright. Hey man, I don't need to say no more. I don't need to say nothing else at all. What them is the brightest tail lights I've ever had in my life. YouTube, got them all in, and it's complete. It makes the back of the car look a whole lot more updated and newer. It really does. I'm gonna get me some aftermarket tail lights here next for this mug. So I think it'll really change the throw of them whenever I get some different tail lights. But these are the tail lights, man. But double, triple thumbs up, man. Highly recommend y'all get these. Again, link will be in the description below. Y'all please use that referral link. It will really help out the channel. But we thugging, man. We in the pilot, man. We in the daily. Like I said, had to get it cleaned up for the rest of this video, because I know y'all probably like, why does this car look so dirty? But that's all I got for y'all, man. Most Addiction signing out. Yes, sir.